Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Get Set Law channel. I'm Akash Srivastava, your law mentor, and in today's session, I'm going to discuss a very important thing for all the Clat aspirants. Clat consortium have released the notification for Clat. You already have started filling the form. So it becomes very important to understand what exactly will be the seat matrix this year. So in today's session, I'm going to discuss Clat seat matrix. So students, when we talk about Clat seat matrix, why exactly it is important for everyone, for all the Clat aspirants? Because it is a very common query of all the students that, sir, till what rank should I get? Or if I belong to this category, or if I have a domicile of this state, till what rank should I get to get admission into that college? So what I have done, so as you can see on my screen that I've mentioned the institute name, all the NLUs, then total number of seats that NLU is offering this year. When we talk about national quota, that is for all India candidates, state domicile for that state specifically. Then when we talk about unreserved seat, because there will be multiple reservations also, and then last will be NRI seat that is getting offered. So when we talk about the first college, that is the dream of all the law aspirants, that is NLS Bangalore. So total number of seats that they're offering this year is 300. When we talk about national quota, number of seats that is allotted for all India candidates, that is 225. If we talk about state domicile, we can just simply subtract 300 minus 225, that is 75 seats. Unreserved category seat, that is all India unreserved category seats, will be 91 out of 225. If we talk about state domicile mein unreserved category ke liye, then there is 30 seats out of 75, and there is no seat for NRI category student. If we talk about the second college, that is Nalsar, total number of seats will be 158. If we talk about national quota, out of 158, it will be 99. If we talk about state domicile, it will be 33. If we talk about the unreserved category, then it will be 51 plus 15. 51 for national quota and 15 for state domicile. And if we talk about NRI category student, they are offering 26 seats for them also. The third college will be NUs Kolkata. Total number of seats is 132. National quota is 67. If we talk about state domicile, then they are offering 41 seats. And if we talk about the unreserved category students, so in total 51 for national quota and 22 for state domicile, and the last one will be NRI category, so they are offering 22 seats for that. If we talk about Jodhpur, National Law University Jodhpur, in total they are offering 136 seats. For national all India candidates, they are offering 85 seats out of 136. If we talk about state domicile, so they are offering 35 seats out of 136. If we talk about the unreserved category, so 46 seats out of 85 is for the unreserved category students, and 16 is for state domicile unreserved category. And if we talk about NRI category, then they are offering 16 seats for it. The next college will be Gujarat National Law University. Total number of seats that they are offering is 204. Out of 204, 129 seats are for the national quota, national all India candidates. If we talk about state domicile of Gujarat, then they are offering 43 seats. If we talk about the unreserved seats out of these national quota and state domicile, then out of 129 seats, 60 seats are allotted for unreserved category. And if we talk about state domicile, then they're offering 19 seats out of 43. If we talk about NRI students, then in total 21 seats. If we talk about National Law Institute University Bhopal, NLU Bhopal, then 203 seats. Out of 203 seats, 86 seats for national all India candidate student, 86 for state domicile, 39 and 39 both, that is 39 from 86 national quota and 39 out of 86 in the state domicile is for the unreserved student, and 27 is for NRI student. There are other reservations also, such as Jammu and Kashmir residents, migrants, so I have not included that, but this is the number that you should be aware of if you're talking about category A++ institute, that is creme de la creme institutes. So students, we already discussed that if we want to take admission into top 6 national law universities in India, then what exactly will be the seat matrix, till what rank should I get. But when we talk about A+ category, that is category just below creme de la creme, the first institute will be Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai. In total, they have 122 seats. Out of 122 seats, 37 seats is for all India category students. 63 seats are for state domicile students. In total, if we talk about the unreserved category student for national quota, that will be 37, and no reservation for unreserved category when we talk about the state quota, and total number of NRI seats will be 20. If we talk about Hidayatullah National Law University, Raipur, then in total they have 187 seats. Out of 187 seats, they are offering 85 seats for all India candidates and 85 seats for state domicile. If we talk about unreserved seats, in total 55 out of 85 when we talk about unreserved national quota seats, and 42 seats are reserved for that is for unreserved category when we talk about state domicile. And in total, they are offering 10 seats for NRI category students also, or foreign nationals also. If we talk about Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, that is in Patiala, so in total they are offering 196 seats. Out of 196 seats, 161 for national quota, 19 for state domicile, and 102 out of 161 will be for unreserved category students, and in total they are offering 5 seats for foreign nationals or NRI category. The next college will be Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia National Law University, Lucknow, that is in UP. In total, 187 seats. Out of 187 seats, 80 seats are for national category or all India candidate students. If we talk about 89 seats are for reserved for state domicile. If we talk about out of 80 seats, everything is reserved for unreserved category. And when we talk about 34 seats out of 89 seats are reserved for unreserved category in state. And in total, they are offering 16 seats for NRI category student. Next one will be National Law University, Odisha. So in total 180 seats. Out of 180 seats, 119 seats are reserved for national quota all India students. 40 seats are reserved for state domicile, and out of 119, 96 seats are for unreserved category and other for reserved category. And if we talk about out of 40 seats, 32 seats are reserved for unreserved category. If we talk about NRI category students, so they are offering 21 seats for them. The last college of this category, that is A plus category, will be National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi. In total, 150 seats. Out of 150 seats, 61 seats are reserved for national all India candidate student. 71 is reserved for state domicile. If we talk about the bifurcation further, then out of 61 seats is for unreserved students, and out of 71, 11 seats are reserved for unreserved students, and in total they are offering 16 seats for NRI category students. So this is about category A plus. So students, initially we discussed top 6 national law universities in which you can take admission and what exactly will be the seat matrix. In second, we discussed A plus category, in which again 6 institutes were included, and in last I've included all the rest of NLUs in this category, that is category A. So the first institute is Chanakya National Law University, Patna. In total they are offering 138 seats. Out of 138 seats, 70 seats are reserved for the all India candidates, 68 for state domicile. If we talk about further bifurcation, then 56 seats out of 70 seats for unreserved category if we talk about national quota, and there is no NRI category seats for them. When we talk about the second institute, that is Tamil Nadu National Law University, Trichy, in total they are offering 127 seats. Out of 127 seats, 58 seats are reserved for national quota, that is all India candidate student, 62 seats for state domicile. Out of 58, 18 seats are for unreserved category students, and 17 seats out of 62 seats is for state domicile unreserved category students, and in total they are offering 6 NRI category seats. When we talk about next, that is Maharashtra National Law University, but in Nagpur. So in total they are offering 240 seats. Out of 240 seats, 92 seats for national quota, that is all India candidate students, 148 for state domicile. Out of 92, everything is reserved for unreserved category students, and 0 seats for NRI student. The next one is Gujarat National Law University, but Silvassa campus. So in total 66 seats. Out of 66 seats, 49 are for national quota, 17 is for state domicile. If we talk about further bifurcation, then out of 49, 23 seats are for unreserved category students, 8 seats are for state domicile unreserved category students, and 0 for NRI student. Next one is National University of Study and Research in Law, Ranchi. In total 140 seats. Out of 140, 60 are for national students, that is all India category student, 60 for state domicile, 27 for out of 60 seats are reserved for unreserved category, and out of 60 seats, that is for state domicile, 27 seats are for unreserved category students. And when we talk about NRI category students, in total they are offering 18 seats. Next college is DSNLU Vizag, that is Visakhapatnam. In total 138 seats. Out of 138 seats, 54 seats for national category students, all India category students, 66 for state domicile. If we talk about out of 54, 48 for unreserved category students, 30 out of 66 for unreserved category of that state, and in total they are offering 12 seats for NRI category students. And the last 6 national law universities, the first one is National Law University and Judicial Academy, Assam. In total 89 seats. Out of 89 seats, 60 seats are for all India category students, 29 is for state domicile. Out of 60, 31 is for unreserved student, that is unreserved category students when we talk about national seats, and in total 0 seats for NRI. Next one is Dharmashastra National Law University, Jabalpur. In total 122 seats. Out of 122 seats, 60 seats are reserved for all India category students, 60 for state domicile students, and if we talk about unreserved, so everything is unreserved and there are no NRI category seats. When we talk about next one, Maharashtra National Law University, Aurangabad, in total 60 seats. Out of 60 seats, 23 seats are reserved. That is all India category students, all India quota students, 37 for state domicile. If we talk about the bifurcation, 23 seats for national students, that is for unreserved category. And when we talk about NRI students, then 0. Next one will be Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Law University, Sonipat. In total 120 seats. Out of 120 seats, 90 seats for all India students, 30 for state domicile. And we talk about further bifurcation, then 45 seats out of 90 seats are for unreserved students, and 18 will be for unreserved students of the state, of that state. And when we talk about NRI, then 0 seats. Next one is Himachal Pradesh National Law University, Shimla. So in total 180 seats. Out of 180 seats, 135 for national students. If we talk about 45 state domicile, if we talk about the unreserved category, so out of 135, 104 seats are reserved for the unreserved category students, and 35 out of 45 is for state domicile. If we talk about the NRI category students, then in total 27 seats. And the last National Law University will be National Law University, Tripura. In total 120 seats. Out of 120 seats, 106 seats for national category. If we talk about unreserved category, then in total there will be 55 seats and 14 seats for NRI category students. So aspirants, this was this year's Clat seat matrix. I hope this gave you some clarity about till what rank, which college you can expect. So all the very best. If you face any problem, any query regarding seat matrix or anything related to Clat, just type in the comment section. IMS Get Set Law Mentors will be more than happy to help you. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.